Spain, a land of rich culture, stunning landscapes and vibrant cities, has long captivated the hearts of travelers. From its historical significance to its delicious cuisine and friendly locales, Spain offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern conveniences. Imagine wandering through ancient streets where every corner tells a story of a bygone era. Spain's historical landmarks and lively plazas are a testament to its rich heritage and dynamic spirit. And then there's the food. Spanish cuisine is a feast for the senses, with its rich flavors, fresh ingredients, and diverse regional specialties. From the famous paella to the delightful churros, every meal is an opportunity to experience the culinary heritage of Spain. Retirement is a chapter filled with possibilities, a time when the world opens up in new and exciting ways. It's a period to explore passions, discover new hobbies, and immerse oneself in experiences that were perhaps put on hold during the busy years of work and raising a family. It's a time to embrace new adventures, to step out of your comfort zone and see the world through fresh eyes. Imagine hiking through the picturesque Spanish countryside, where every trail offers a new story, a new vista, and a new memory to cherish forever. And savor life's simple pleasures. Picture yourself sitting at a quaint Spanish cafe, enjoying tapas with friends, or simply relaxing on a park bench, soaking in the vibrant atmosphere and the warm, welcoming smiles of the locals. What better place to write this chapter than Spain? Imagine waking up to sunny skies almost every day of the year. The Mediterranean climate ensures mild winters and warm summers, perfect for those who love the outdoors and want to stay active throughout the year, enjoying leisurely strolls on pristine beaches where the sound of the waves and the feel of the sand beneath your feet can be a daily ritual. The Spanish coastline is dotted with beautiful beaches, each with its own unique charm and character. Spain beckons retirees with open arms, offering a lifestyle that is both relaxing and enriching. The country's vibrant festivals, rich history, and welcoming communities provide endless opportunities for cultural immersion and personal growth. With its Mediterranean charm, affordable living, and excellent quality of life, Spain presents a compelling case for those seeking a fulfilling retirement. The cost of living in Spain is significantly lower than in many other European countries, making it an attractive option for retirees on a fixed income. An excellent quality of life, Spain boasts a world-class healthcare system ranked among the best in the world. This ensures that retirees have access to top-notch medical care, which is a crucial consideration for anyone planning their retirement. Spain presents a compelling case for those seeking a fulfilling retirement. The country's diverse landscapes, from the rolling hills of the countryside to the bustling cities and serene coastal towns, offer something for everyone. Whether you prefer the tranquility of a small village or the excitement of a vibrant city, Spain has it all. Join us as we delve into the many reasons why Spain might just be the perfect place to spend your golden years. From its welcoming communities and rich cultural heritage to its affordable living and excellent healthcare, Spain offers a retirement experience like no other. So why wait? Start planning your sunny retirement in Spain today and discover a new chapter filled with joy, adventure, and endless possibilities. One of Spain's biggest draws is its enviable climate. The country is blessed with a variety of weather patterns, but the most sought after is undoubtedly the Mediterranean climate. This climate is characterized by its warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters, making it a perfect destination for those looking to escape the harshness of colder climates. Imagine trading in dreary winters for year-round sunshine. In Spain, this dream becomes a reality. The country enjoys over 3,000 hours of sunshine annually, which means that even in the winter months, the sun is a frequent visitor. This abundance of sunlight not only warms the body, but also lifts the spirit, creating a sense of well-being and happiness. With over 3,000 hours of sunshine annually, Spain boasts a predominantly Mediterranean climate characterized by warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters. This climate is particularly prevalent along the Mediterranean coast, where cities like Barcelona, Valencia, and Malaga enjoy some of the best weather in Europe. The consistent sunshine and pleasant temperatures make it an ideal location for outdoor activities and leisurely pursuits. This pleasant weather makes it ideal for retirees to enjoy outdoor activities year-round. Whether it's taking a leisurely stroll along the beach, hiking through scenic trails, or practicing yoga with the sound of the waves in the background, the options are endless. The mild winters mean that even in the cooler months, outdoor activities are still enjoyable, allowing retirees to maintain an active and healthy lifestyle. Whether it's swimming in the crystal clear waters of the Mediterranean, hiking through lush forests, or exploring the numerous national parks, Spain offers a diverse range of activities that cater to all interests and fitness levels. The country's varied landscape, from its stunning coastlines to its mountainous regions, provides endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Or simply soaking up the sun on a terrace cafe, Spain's outdoor lifestyle is one of its most appealing features. The culture of outdoor dining and socializing is deeply ingrained in Spanish life, and there's nothing quite like enjoying a meal or a drink while basking in the warm sunshine. The numerous cafes and restaurants with outdoor seating make it easy to take advantage of the beautiful weather. Spain offers endless opportunities to embrace an active and fulfilling lifestyle. From playing a round of golf on one of the many world-class courses to jogging along the picturesque beach promenades, there's something for everyone. The country's commitment to maintaining its natural beauty and providing recreational facilities ensures that residents and visitors alike can enjoy a high quality of life. The abundance of sunshine also has mood-boosting benefits, making Spain an even more appealing destination for a happy and healthy retirement. Studies have shown that exposure to sunlight increases the production of serotonin, a hormone that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. This, combined with the relaxed pace of life and the emphasis on social connections, makes Spain an ideal place to enjoy one's golden years. Additionally, Spain's vibrant culture and numerous festivals provide endless opportunities for socializing and entertainment. From traditional flamenco performances to local fiestas, there's always something happening that brings people together. The sense of community and the joy of shared experiences are integral parts of Spanish life, adding to the overall sense of happiness and fulfillment. Exploring Spain's rich history and cultural heritage is another way to enjoy the beautiful weather. The country's historic towns and cities are filled with architectural wonders, museums and markets that offer a glimpse into its storied past. Walking through these charming streets with the sun shining down is a delightful way to spend a day. Whether it's a leisurely boat ride along the coast, a picnic in a vineyard, or simply relaxing in a park, the opportunities to enjoy Spain's golden weather are endless. The combination of natural beauty, cultural richness, and a welcoming climate makes Spain a truly special place to live or visit. As the sun sets over the Mediterranean, casting a golden glow over the landscape, it's easy to see why so many people are drawn to Spain. The country's unique blend of natural beauty, cultural vibrancy, and enviable climate creates a perfect setting for a fulfilling and joyful life. Whether you're looking to retire, take a long vacation, or simply enjoy the sunshine, Spain offers a warm welcome and endless possibilities for everyone. Retirement often comes with a fixed income, making the cost of living a crucial factor in choosing where to settle down. It's a time when every penny counts, and finding a place that offers both affordability and a high quality of life becomes essential. Many retirees are looking for destinations that allow them to stretch their retirement savings further while still enjoying a fulfilling and comfortable lifestyle. The good news is that Spain offers a surprisingly affordable lifestyle, especially compared to the other Western European countries. The cost of living in Spain is significantly lower, making it an attractive option for retirees. From the bustling cities to the serene coastal towns, Spain provides a variety of living environments to suit different preferences and budgets. Housing, groceries, transportation and entertainment are all generally more affordable in Spain. For instance, renting or buying a home in Spain can be much cheaper than in many other parts of Europe. Whether you prefer a quaint apartment in a historic city or a modern villa by the sea, you'll find that your money goes much further here. Additionally, the cost of groceries is quite reasonable, with fresh produce and local delicacies available at lower prices. You'll be pleasantly surprised by how much further your retirement budget can stretch. Dining out is also more affordable, allowing you to enjoy Spain's rich culinary heritage without worrying about the cost. From tapas bars to fine dining restaurants, the options are endless and won't break the bank. The affordability of everyday expenses means you can indulge in the local culture and cuisine more frequently. This affordability allows you to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Imagine spending your days exploring beautiful beaches, engaging in various leisure activities and soaking up the sun, all while knowing that your budget is under control. The lower cost of living in Spain means you can allocate more of your savings towards experiences and activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, leaving you with more disposable income to pursue your passions, travel, and truly embrace all that Spain has to offer. Whether it's visiting historic landmarks, attending local festivals, or simply enjoying the vibrant street life, Spain provides endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. The combination of affordability and a rich cultural experience makes Spain an ideal destination for retirees looking to make the most of their golden years. Healthcare is a top priority for retirees, and Spain excels in this area. The country boasts a universal healthcare system that provides high-quality, affordable medical care to all residents, including expats. Spain's healthcare system is consistently ranked among the best in the world, known for its skilled medical professionals, well-equipped hospitals, and comprehensive coverage. Whether you need routine checkups or specialized medical attention, you can rest assured that you'll receive excellent care in Spain. This peace of mind regarding healthcare is invaluable and contributes significantly to the overall well-being of retirees in Spain. In conclusion, Spain offers an idyllic retirement destination with its sunny weather, affordable living, and peaceful environment. But beyond these obvious benefits, there's an entire lifestyle waiting to be embraced. Picture yourself strolling through vibrant local markets, savoring the rich flavors of Spanish cuisine, and participating in the lively festivals that fill the streets with joy and color. The Spanish lifestyle is one of relaxation and enjoyment, where every day feels like a celebration of life. Whether you're looking to bask in the golden sun or stretch your retirement budget further, Spain has something for everyone. We hope this video has given you a glimpse into the wonderful life that awaits you under the Spanish sun. Thank you for watching.